Guys, take a look. This is a Corolla Cross 4x4. It's kind of trying to catch up with the Subaru. And it's beautiful. Oh my god. I like it. I like it. That's nice. I would buy it. 4x4. Holy shit. Maybe it's my next island car. What do you think? Tell me. Post here. Let me know if you like it. The new Corolla Cross. They are doing what the Brazilians do, right? They get sedans and they transform into a cross version that is like a tiny SUV, but it looks sick. I love it. You let me know. And watch the videos. Subscribe. Send comments. Criticize me. Say bad things about me. And I'm gonna fight you online. That's why you like it, right? What do you think? I think it looks kind of cute. It's a new Subaru. NaGringaBR. Take a look.